Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how you can long press on the volume button to access smart home or modes. So with GoodLock's Routine Plus module, you can assign long press actions to volume buttons. So these actions can trigger routines like turning lights on and off, activating sleep or work mode, enabling do not disturb, or toggling wireless connections. So this transforms your volume button into automation keys, allowing you to control your phone or smart home without unlocking the device. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and first open up the GoodLock app. Now in the GoodLock app, scroll down and find Routine Plus. Now here, go ahead and create a routine. So we'll tap on Routine Plus, and now we'll go ahead and set the if and then statement. So first one is button action. And here, go ahead and choose your volume up or volume down. You want to press and hold, press done, and then we can go ahead and make it trigger do modes. So say for example, sleep mode, theater mode, game mode, or custom mode. Or we can go ahead and turn on do not disturb. On, and then we can press save. Give it a name, press done, and then press home. So when I go ahead and hold this volume up button, you'll see that do not disturb mode has been turned on. So this way you can automate daily routines. You can have smart home control from hardware buttons. It saves time every day and it works even with the screen off. So there you go guys, that is how to long press the volume button to access smart mode or modes or turn on do not disturb.